Hello everyone, welcome to KBP Degree College Thane. My name is Sukesh Sanke. I am from class SYBSC IT. Today I will present very interesting topic, that is cultural heritage preservation using IT. This presentation is presented by me, video edited by Pranay Bhosle, under guidance with Assistant Professor Snehal Rane. Introduction. A nation is identified by its history. Cultural heritage of a country is a great reminder of its history. It allows us to better understand previous generation and the history of where we come from. Cultural heritage refers to the cultural aspects like heritage sites, monuments, folklore, traditional activities and practices, language, etc. that are considered vital to be preserved for future generations. As preservation of these heritage monuments is becoming a challenge day by day, we can easily achieve these challenges with the help of information technology. Never and never method of preservation using modern day technologies are bring through upon then latest technologies. One of the most interesting piece of technologies that could be used for preservation of these sites are advanced mapping. Using advanced mapping technology, we can create a virtual structure of monuments and preserve our district cultural heritage for the next generation, and we can actually recollect the history of that place. Virtual assistants and AI storytelling will be used to tell stories and provide the vital information through their heritage markers, which contain interesting nudge of information about the history of the sites. It will add more weight to create interest in our culture as well as preserving it. To implement these technologies, we need graph theory, statistics, linear algebra, artificial intelligence, and machine learning techniques. Python programming language is widely used in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python's simple and clean structure, modular design, and extensive library makes it ideal for developers to achieve such technologies. Python is not just an appropriate language for real-world programming, but it is also an emulated feature. It can be effectively and easily used for modeling and analysis in preserving cultural heritage. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can be easily used to implement above technologies, with Python servicing as a programming language. Conclusion. The challenges is to create advanced mapping, virtual assistants and AI storytelling applications by implementing AI and ML with higher security to preserve the data integrity. AI and ML developers majorly rely on the Python programming capability to rapidly code programs. The future set can be used to implement new strategies and techniques to create such applications which can be used for preserving our cultural heritage. Thank you everyone.